So today I'm going to show you how to get your body sort of unclogged from the winter stuffiness. We need to do a little maybe spring cleaning for our body. So what I'm going to show you are neurolymphatic reflex points, and what these do are stimulate the lymphatic system to get things moving and move the toxins and everything through your body and out. So what we're going to do is start right under the collarbone and just rub. These are ones you want to rub in real hard. Okay, and you may find that they are a little bit painful, and that's okay. Just breathe through it and maybe only rub these for 10 or 15 seconds and then move on to a different spot. And so all along the collarbone there are several, so you can work your way out to the edge of the collarbone, and these are on both sides of your body, so you can do these on both sides. And then also in the crease of your, like where your arm is sort of sewn onto your body. Right there is another one. And on your shoulder, out here on the side, there's a few. Also, you can come to the center and come straight down the center of your breastbone. So if you want to pick one or two of those to work with each morning, if you do too much at once, it can be maybe a little overload for your body, too many toxins being released into your system at once. So maybe start slow, pick one or two, and then the following day do a couple more. And that will help you sort of come out of that winter stuffiness and get you moving again. All right, have a great day.